In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix ads from your website for free. Now, if you're like many Wix users, you've started building your website using their free plan. While this is a great way to get your site up and running without any initial costs, you've probably noticed the Wix banner ad displayed at the top of your site. Unfortunately, there isn't a completely free solution to remove these ads. Wix includes them as a part of their free package, but don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through the best way to tackle this. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website. Begin by heading over to wix.com and signing in to your account. It's important to log in because that's how you'll access your site's backend where all the changes happen. Once you're logged in, take a moment to review your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make navigation much smoother later on. When you're ready, the next stop is the Settings menu. You'll find this option in the sidebar on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will take you to a page filled with options that let you modify different aspects of your site. Once you're in the settings, proceed by selecting Manage Plan. This is where you handle all the subscriptions and plans related to your Wix account. At this point, the goal is to explore upgrading to a premium plan. This is the key to removing those pesky ads. Now, click on Upgrade. You will be presented with a variety of premium plans. These allow customization freedom, including the removal of ads. Take your time to explore the different plans available. Each offers varying features, from increased storage and bandwidth to the ability to connect your own domain. Consider what suits your needs best. Remember, upgrading to a premium plan isn't just about removing ads. It's a worthwhile investment that enhances your site's professionalism and functionality. Plus, it enables you to create a seamless experience for your visitors, free from distractions. Finally, once you've selected a plan that fits your requirements, follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Don't forget to review and confirm your details before finalizing anything. To wrap it up, while there isn't a free workaround to remove Wix ads, upgrading your plan offers multiple benefits that justify it. I hope this guide has helped streamline the process for you. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your online presence.